Good morning, students. Today I am going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 12. Where do we live? Children, where do we live? We live in a house. We live with our families in a house. Then why do we live in a house? It is because it shelters us from bad weather, wild animals and thieves. And our home is a comfortable shelter for us. So, there is one question. Why do we need a house to live in? It is because our home provides us a comfortable shelter. Our house provides us a comfortable shelter. And it protects us from the bad weather. Our house protects us from bad weather, wild animals and thieves. So, we live in a house. And as man is a social being, they cannot live alone. They like to live in the society. As a society provides stability to our life. And a society also teaches us to live in harmony and to be tolerant to each other. So, our next topic is types of houses. There are mainly two types of houses. First is kacha houses and the second pakka houses. Now, first we'll see what are kacha houses and what is it made up of. Next, what are kacha houses made of? Kacha houses are made of bamboo, mud and straw. As these kacha houses are made of bamboo, mud and straw, they are temporary house. As they get damaged easily by heavy rainfall or storm. These kacha houses, they get damaged easily during heavy rainfall or storm. And these kacha houses are also called temporary house. And the common example for kacha house is hut. Huts are the common example for kacha houses. And the next is pakka houses. Pakka houses are made of bricks, cement, concrete, wood, etc. And these pakka houses are called permanent houses. And these pakka houses are strong houses as they do not get damaged by heavy rainfall or storm. And the next topic is what is a bungalow? Answer: a bungalow is a single story big independent house. Then student, what is a bungalow? A bungalow is a single story big independent house. It is also very expensive to construct. And the next, what are called skyscrapers? Answer, very tall buildings are called skyscrapers. So, in this video we saw, why do we need a house? We need a house to live, as a house provides us a comfortable shelter for us. It also protects us from bad weather, wild animals and thieves. And as man is a social being, they like to live in the society. They cannot live alone. Living in a society, it brings stability to our lives. And the next is the types of houses. There are two types of houses, kacha houses and pakka houses. Then what are kacha houses made of? Kacha houses are made of mud, bamboo, straw, etc. And kacha houses are also called temporary houses, as they get damaged easily during heavy rainfall and storm. And huts are the common example for kacha houses. And these kacha houses are mostly found in the villages. Second, pakka houses. These pakka houses are mostly found in cities, and it is made of cement, bricks, iron, etc. And these pakka houses are strong houses, also called as permanent houses. And the next question is, what is a bungalow? A bungalow is a single story, big independent house. It is very expensive to construct and maintain. Next, what are called skyscrapers? Very tall buildings are called skyscrapers. So children, watch this video carefully and understand this topic. Thank you.